You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of the star basketball player from the Women's National Basketball Association. If you want to learn more names from the NBA and WNBA, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you you'll definitely want to listen to. Asia is how it's pronounced. So you've got the A that stands alone, just like an A, and then ja. Alright, it's not ja, it's ja. Much like a French J. So it sounds very much like the continent, Asia, spelling A-S-I-A. Asia, you're familiar with it, right? Well, that's how you say it. Asia Wilson. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.